Okay, welcome back to this powerful Microsoft Word tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can easily perform a screenshot with a Microsoft Word. Maybe you want to insert a picture from your web or from your picture from anything. You want to use a screenshot. You want to screenshot your very screen for explanation of anything at all. You can easily screenshot with your Microsoft Word. Using the screenshot, just come to insert picture, come to the insert picture. Before I proceed, please do me a favor, subscribe to our YouTube channel, rate us, like our work, and share our free courses as well. Go to Google, follow us on Google My Business slash Jofem Vocational Institution, and also rate our work there. Go to Facebook, rate our work there, rate our channel, our Facebook page, and follow us. Turn on notification on your YouTube for our work, and God bless you as you do that. Okay, so we come to a Microsoft Word training. I want to tell you how you can insert a screenshot. When you come to insert, then you come to screenshot. So there is two options here. There's one that's a available window. This is the available window. That means the windows you have opened before. So I will not recommend that you use available window because you want to customize what you want to screenshot very well. So you come to screenshot, but before that, the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to open what you wanted to screenshot down. For example, you have a lot of pictures over here, so let me just click on this. Let me just open this. Okay, as it's open like this, let it be open down. Then come back to your Microsoft Word, then come back to the insert, come back to screenshot, then you say screen clipping. So now it's going to take you to this place. Then you can easily drag what you want to clip. You can easily drag. Let's just drag this way. Good. That appear in our Microsoft Word automatically. So now that it appears on the Microsoft Word automatically, what next? So you want to edit. I know the next thing is you want to edit your work. Number one, you can see crop here. You can use your crop tools to crop it. Okay, let me use this. You can use your crop tools. You can drag it. You can drag it. You can there's much to crop in this one. You can drag it for cropping sake. Okay, so once you are done, press enter. It has cropped like that.